So here I am, suddenly the king of the school. I never meant for things to turn out this way. I just wanted to control a couple of psycho kids and be left alone. But now I guess I'm certainly going to live the good life.
Hey, Darby!
Hey, Johnny.
Hi, Jimmy.
Yo, what's up, brother?
Hey, Jack.
So I'm like, yo, it's Jimmy!
Hey, you're funny, man.
Yo,
You're
man,
so
what's going
funny,
on?
Jimmy.
Oh, hey, girl, you're looking great.
Ooh.
Great, thank you for that sugar, darling.
Wow, hey, Jimmy.
All right, boys, that's all I got to say. Later.
Bye, Jimmy.
Peace out,
See you
Jimmy.
later.
I love that guy.
Bye,
Come on,
guys.
straight
Let's
up.
roll.
Pete!
Hey, Jimmy, what's going on?
Everything. I did it, man. I took over this dump. These morons are my morons
That's
now.
great. Just don't turn into a jerk.
How could I? Hey, baby, how you doing? What you doing later?
Just remember, Jimmy, not everybody likes you.
Correct. They love me.
Well, what about Gary?
Gary, forget about that twerp. Dude, it's me now. I run this place and you're my friend, so please try to be cool. Oh man, you're bringing me down. Come on, let's go milk this thing for all it's worth. We might even find you a girl.
Jimmy, forgive me, but I gotta go.
Boys like you are just playing around.
You just cry it out. The universe hates me. You ever tried cheating?
I don't think so.
Why can't they have fun?
I don't understand why the kids at Bulwark can't be as nice as the teacher. Says all the grease is back to Hopkins, is it?
Quietly. Very quietly.
I can do this all day. Hey, how's it feel knowing that you suck?
Good morning, my little cartographers! Try again. Heavens! Whatever gave you that idea? A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. Heavens! Whatever gave you that idea? Try again. No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. Try again. You've charted a fine course for yourself, son. Bravo! Hopkins, my boy, I'm afraid I've underestimated you. Congratulations! You've passed my class.
I should give lessons. Simple.
Cut sleep to 4.5 hours a night, increase study time to 35 hours per week, eat lunch while walking, that's 30 minutes per commute.
Mangy, filthy brats. Always leaving a mess.
I hunger for fish sticks.
Perhaps a song showing in the history book would be astonishing.
Normally I don't care,
Nice.
but with you it's
Do
different.
something wild and exciting.
Hey, my
Nice.
name's Jimmy. You want to make out?
Hello, you.
If
In
I
the
were you, I'd
press.
make out with me.
I like being alone with you.
I can't wait to graduate so I can do that all the time.
Kidding when he called me annoying.
You guys fucking
Say what you like.
You know I don't like to yell, but that's what I'm going to do.
I like her.
Please don't hurt me. My mama will be sad.
What was I gonna go and do?
I have to go be bored somewhere else now. Hi, I'm so glad to see you.
You need like snacks, right? Bye-bye. Mozzarella is overrated.
Class is about to start. Go now. You hustle. I hope you're
All right, let's get this over with, children. Pathetic! That's enough for today. Good work. Excellent work! Well, Jimmy, I don't know how you did it, but you passed my class. Congratulations!
Hopkins is dominating! I'm good. That's all there is to it.
Goodbye.
Oh, hi.
I just really do not like you. Someone told me that you can get an A in gym class if you beat someone up in front of some bird.
It's possible.
Hey, man. Those are some alright breads. This place is safe, man.
Mr. Galloway, should you really be doing that?
Oh, Jimmy. No, I suppose not, but life is unfair.
You promised Ms. Phillips.
Oh, God. What kind of world do we live in where I get punished for a minor indiscretion and Hattrick gets away with taking bribes from his pupils?
He does?
Yes! He sells advanced copies of tests to the sons of his rich friends, and nobody says a word.
Wait, what rich friends?
Well, Darby Harrington, for one.
I can't believe he's selling tests. What if I got evidence of him doing this?
Then I'd never need to drink again.
All right, let me see what I can do.
Yeah, you know, I hate all those clean, nice kids who think they got everything all figured out.
Hey, I think Ted's kind of a whip.
Whatever, bro.
Keep your head up.
What's going on? What's the word? Show me your stuff, man! My chick, and I'm gonna take it all.
Do you have my cash? All right, I'll pay. You drive a hard bargain.
guy. Money, money.
How goes? Hey!
Loser head. I just don't understand.
Hi!
See you!
I hope everyone's looking at me. Of course they're... Hi! Hey, buddy.
What's crack?
Sure hope he shows up. I need to get my grade up.
Don't worry, he'll be here soon, I'm sure.
You guys looking for something?
Yeah, did you bring the goods?
Thanks, buddy. See you at midterm.
Those are pretty cool shoes.
There you are, sir.
Of course, I trust you have my fee.
I've got Daddy's checkbook with me. Top dollars for top grades. Makes sense to me.
Thank you, Hopkins. See you in class.
How's it go? How's it go?
Hey, we're on the same team.
Duh! You're not supposed to be hitting me! I wonder if... Hey, Jimmy, is that a t-shirt? Cool, man. Maybe you'll learn to shut your trap. I always get...
What if I...
Always win.
No, he drinks on school grounds. Think of the children, Dr. Crabblesnitch.
Drinking? I will terminate the employment contract of any staff member found corrupting children. Morality is the most important lesson we can teach the youth.
Is that so? Then you might want to look at these.
What's this?
It's that fat, evil hypocrite selling test answers to rich kids. Fire him!
What? You took pictures?
And to think I trusted you, Hat-Trick? You're fired.
But
Bye-bye, fatty.
And as for you, Galloway, there better not be anything to that drinking business.
She would have left you if you'd just given her a bike. Could have rode it to the sunset.
I think we can call that a wrap.
I'm so telling on you.
Check it out!
Boys, my bike.
Excuse me!
That is funny, Jimmy.
No, it's not. Jimmy, it's really funny.
Chill out, man.
Jimmy, I need to talk to you about something. Not now, Pete. I'm basking in adulation. I mean, running the school fairly.
Dude, so fairly.
No, Jimmy, please. Pete, enough.
Yeah, shut up, Pete.
The court must know their king.
You know what, Jimmy? Forget the school. The whole town should know about you. You're like the mayor.
You should leave your mark on City Hall.
Yeah, dude. Take a dump on the doorstep.
No, you homunculus, not a dump. It's something much more elegant. Paint a warning.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll show everyone who's boss.
That's right, Jimmy.
All right, you girls wait here. This is gonna be something they'll never forget. Wait, Jimmy, don't forget about Gary. Wait for me.
I'm clearly going places.
I don't understand why Rose can't live up to my standards.
I can't tell Mom about that at all. She'd be so mad.
get lightheaded when you stand up really quickly? Nope.
My sisters can get pregnant. Why can't I?
Hey, you can't do that! Someone get the authorities!
This wave of vandalism has to stop! This is unacceptable!
How are you?
Come on, you could never afford me. I'm on you like white on rice. I'm going to hell no matter what happens. May as well do as much bad crap as I can while I'm... Way to go, greaseball!
Will you take a look at that there?
I can never
People leave stuff lying around everywhere.
Meeting or beating a civilian.
How wonderful! I really need something to tell them.
Mandy's actually pretty nice.
Why didn't I scare that nerd today?
I'll get you! Hey, I'll stick with it.
I did it!
That's great. Listen, we've got a problem.
I'm the king, Petey, the king!
Whatever. You're a king with a load of problems.
I've only been gone a couple hours. What could have happened?
All kinds of things. You remember that promise you made about restoring law and order and improving the school? Let's just say it ain't exactly coming true.
Well, if anyone wants a fight, I'm right here.
I think Gary must be behind it, but trust me, everyone wants a fight. Listen, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, man.
I can't believe my mom won't let me have sugar, because this feels awesome! I wish I could just stay in bed and read today.